how to make your Android feel way faster. I'm gonna teach you some of the ways. The first way is you can go to your device management and you can see the device care option. So if there are any kind of problems on your battery, storage or memory, the phone might be slow. So go ahead and check it out. Clear the cache and clear the data if possible. You can see if you're owning a Samsung device, you can keep the switch it over here. Just go ahead and click on this button over here and the cache will be cleared. The other way is you can just go ahead and swipe down to your screen, go to settings and open apps. Once you go to apps, make sure that the certain app you're opening is carrying a lot of data. So if you clear the cache of the app, particularly, you can just go ahead and click on any app and go to storage. So you can see the option of clear data and clear cache. You can just go ahead and click on it once, and as you can see, the option will be there to clear the cache, and this way your Android will feel way faster. The other way is restarting your app. You can just go ahead and restart your app, try open it again, and your Android will be way faster than before. So guys, this is how you can make your Android feel way faster and way smoother. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.